Is the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G worth the wait, or is it better to grab an existing model now? With its mix of premium features and affordability, this upcoming mid-range smartphone is expected to deliver strong value. Let's take a closer look at what it offers and whether upgrading makes sense. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A56 with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display featuring full high-definition plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This combination ensures vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth navigation, making it an excellent option for gaming and media consumption. The enhanced display technology promises better brightness and contrast, providing an immersive viewing experience for everyday use. Powering the device is the Exynos 1580 chipset, built on a 4nm process. This processor is designed for improved efficiency, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless performance. Whether browsing, gaming, or handling demanding applications, this chipset is optimized to reduce lag while maintaining battery efficiency. Combined with Samsung's software optimizations, the Galaxy S56 is expected to handle daily tasks effortlessly. For those who love photography, the device features a versatile triple camera setup. The primary lens is a 50-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, capturing sharp and steady images even in low light. Alongside it, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens allows for broader shots, while the 5-megapixel macro lens is perfect for detailed close-ups. This camera system ensures that users can capture everything from expansive landscapes to intricate details with ease. Battery life is another strong point, with a 5,000 mAh battery providing all-day power. It supports 45-watt fast charging, which means users can quickly top up their battery in just a short time. Whether streaming videos, gaming, or working on the go, the device is expected to keep up without requiring frequent recharges. Design-wise, Samsung has refined the A56 with an aluminum frame and a glass back, giving it a premium look and feel. The device is also rated with IP67 dust and water resistance, ensuring protection against minor splashes and dust exposure. With this durable design, the phone is built for long-term use while maintaining a stylish appearance. Now the big question, should you wait for the Galaxy A56 or go for an existing model? If having the latest features, better performance, and extended software support matters, waiting for the A56 is a solid option. Samsung is likely to offer 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, making it a future-proof choice. For those using older models like the Galaxy A52 or A53, upgrading to the A56 would bring noticeable improvements in performance, battery life, and software longevity. However, if a new phone is needed immediately, the Galaxy A54 and A55 are still excellent options. Both models feature high-quality cameras, strong battery life, and AMOLED screens, often available at reduced prices. As the A56 approaches launch, prices for older models could drop further, making them even more attractive for buyers who do not require the latest hardware. If rumors are accurate, the A56 may not offer a significant upgrade over the A55, meaning users with recent A-series devices might prefer waiting for next year's Galaxy A57 instead. Pricing is another factor to consider. Samsung's A-series smartphones usually start at a higher price before gradually becoming more affordable in the months after release. Those planning to purchase the A56 may find it worthwhile to wait a little longer post-launch to get a better deal. On the other hand, if a good discount is available on the A54 or A55, buying now could be the smarter move rather than holding out for what might be a minor upgrade. For those using an older model and wanting better performance, waiting for the A56 makes sense. But for those who already own an A54 or A55, skipping this generation might be a more practical decision. If a new device is needed right away, the A54 and A55 still provide excellent value, making it unnecessary to wait. What do you think about the Galaxy A56? Will you wait for its release, or does an existing model seem like a better deal? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more updates. Could Samsung's next foldable phone be the game changer we've all been waiting for? It seems like the wait might soon be over, with the company gearing up to reveal its next big innovation. After the launch of the Galaxy S25, all eyes are on what Samsung will do next, especially in the foldable category. The buzz is already building around the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7, and from what we know so far, it could be one of the most exciting devices of 2025. Firmware development for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is already in motion, particularly for the European market, and that's a sure sign that Samsung is deep into the planning stages for the device. While we don't have all the specifics yet, it's highly likely that work is already underway for other regions as well, including for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. There's no denying that Samsung is preparing something special for its foldable lineup, and the excitement is palpable. One of the biggest questions surrounding the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is what operating system it will ship with. Samsung has always been keen on offering the latest versions of its software with each new release, and it's expected that the Flip 7 will arrive with One UI 7.1, a refined version of its previous interface. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet, but if we look at Samsung's history, the chances of a minor upgrade to One UI are high. After all, every major flagship release usually comes with some software improvements, and Samsung has been consistent in providing new features and enhancements. So, what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 7 itself? The truth is, not much is likely to change dramatically in terms of design, but that doesn't mean Samsung isn't bringing something exciting to the table. The Galaxy Z Flip series has already set a high bar for foldable phones, and Samsung might just stick with a similar formula that works while making small tweaks to refine the experience. The flip phone design is already a fan favorite, and if Samsung keeps the same design, the focus will likely shift to improving its performance, display quality, and foldable mechanism. But that's not all. Samsung has been teasing a dual-hinge foldable phone, which could be a significant leap forward in foldable technology. The new device is rumored to be the star of Samsung's next Unpacked event, and if the rumors are true, this could be a game changer. This dual-hinge design would open up new possibilities for how foldable phones can be used, making them even more versatile and functional. Fans are eagerly waiting to see if Samsung will introduce this new form factor at their event, and if it does, it could push the foldable phone market to the next level. While the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might not be radically different from its predecessor, Samsung is still bringing new and exciting devices to the table. The company's future lineup includes the Galaxy S25 Edge and a new XR headset, both of which could be part of Samsung's broader 2025 plans. Whether these devices will join the foldable family or stand apart remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure, Samsung is all in on innovation. When it comes to the Galaxy Z Flip 7, one of the most anticipated features is the upgrade to the software. Samsung has done an excellent job of One UI, offering a smooth interface with plenty of customization options. Fans are eager to see how the company will continue to refine the software and introduce new features in 2025. Could Galaxy A become even more intuitive? What new capabilities will the operating system bring to make the user experience even better? As we look forward to Samsung's Unpacked event, one thing is clear: the company is far from done innovating. While the Galaxy Z Flip 7 may not be drastically different from its predecessor, the combination of hardware improvements, software upgrades, and the potential for new features like Galaxy AI means there's plenty to look forward to. The foldable phone market is still evolving, and Samsung is at the forefront, setting the stage for a major breakthrough in 2025. The real excitement, of course, will come when the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is officially unveiled. Stay tuned, because 2025 could be the year that foldable technology truly takes off. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited about what's coming next, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on the other upcoming Samsung devices. Imagine a world where your voice assistant responds to anything you want, not just the default wake-up words. That's exactly what Samsung is offering with its latest Galaxy S25 series. They've introduced a feature that gives users complete control over how they wake up Bixby, the in-house voice assistant. Instead of the usual Bixby or Hi Bixby, you now have the freedom to pick any word or phrase that suits your style.